In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact in Outlook address book. We'll use Outlook on the web and we'll add someone directly from an email they sent you. This approach is quick, accurate, and ensures the address you save is the one they actually use. By the end, you'll have a clean contact card that syncs across Outlook and follows you to your other devices. This is perfect when you want to keep your address book organized without typing addresses manually or copying and pasting. Start on your Outlook homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your mailbox. Inbox, archive, or any folder is fine. Find a message from the person you want to save and open it. Using an existing email is helpful because Outlook can read the sender details for you. If the thread is long, scroll to the most recent message from that person so you capture the current address. At the top of the message, look at the sender line. Click the sender's profile icon or avatar next to their name to open their mini contact card. On that card, select the three dots, often labeled More Actions. From the menu, choose Add to Contacts. If Outlook recognized the person already, you might see an option to edit or update the existing entry instead. In that case, proceed with that. Selecting Add to Contacts opens the full contact form so you can review and complete their details. If you don't see the small avatar, clicking the sender's name in the header brings up the same card. Now fill in the information you want to keep. Outlook will pull in the email address automatically, and you can add the person's first and last name, company, job title, phone numbers, and any notes that help you remember who they are. If they use multiple addresses, pick the one you expect to use most as the primary. You can also add a nickname or category to make them easier to find later. You can even add a photo, birthday, website, or mailing address if that helps you recognize them later, and avoid storing anything sensitive you don't need. When everything looks right, select Save. You'll see a confirmation, and the new entry is added to your Outlook address book, also known as People. From now on, Outlook will auto-complete their name when you compose messages, and if you use Outlook on your phone with the same account, the contact will sync there too. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and reliable.